Valdez, a Navotas native, serves as her family's breadwinner and aims to help them. She auditioned for Pinoy Big Brother and participated in the 2005 Binibining Pilipinas beauty pageant, placing as Binibining Pilipinas Tourism alongside Jonah Cabrera, Binibining Pilipinas Universe, Caroline Aguilar, and Precious Lara Quigaman. Valdez, a former housemate in Big Brother, was known as the bad girl and had a relationship with fellow housemate Bruce Quebrel. Despite her negative image, Valdez's success was attributed to the public's interest in seeing a real person. She graduated from Far Eastern University in 2007 and married Quebrel in 2009. Although third placer, Valdez got a big break with numerous offers and contracts, especially from ABS-CBN. She had the lead role as Margarita in Margarita, a teleserie of ABS-CBN, and had a relationship with Bruce Quebrel.
Yan ba yung sugapa sa shabu? Tuwid mo ako hindi pinupuntahan niya. Hindi pwede may pasok ako.
Sabay-sabay!
Kasi alam mo naman ako, loka-loka. Easy-easy lang ako. Bakit kita titigilan? Ang pakialam kung sino masasaktan mo sa mga desisyon mong mali. Mountain ako tapos...
Isabel!
Kasi sinabi niya sa akin na magpunta ako dito dahil... Picture ko ba ng subject? At saka hindi na mo kita pababayaan. Nandito ako, paprotekta kita! May pruweba ako. Ikaw! Meron ba? Kung ako nanay mo, hindi na kita babalikan. Ka? Ha? Hindi, sige, magsumbong ka. Tignan natin kung sino sa ating dalawa paniwalaan niya. Alam mo, Jimbo, yan ang tawad sa'yo to si Pam eh. Patawarin mo na, ha? Ayan, Pam, ha? Alaga mo hayop. Very good. Yan ang mabait na bata. Na talaga tayo. Konting-konting hintay na lang. Malapit na. Alam mo kasi, anak, yung dinadala ka namin. Ba, anak? Todos Los Santos ngayon. Araw ng mga patay. Bakit? Tsaka All Saints Day. Yan yung mga araw sa ating kamag-anak. Anong bakit? Hindi mo ba gustong dalawin yung lolo't lola mo? At tsaka tsuin at tsahin mo na matay na? Ay, naku, wag mo na nga sagutin mamaya. Mag-away pa kayo. Hayop ka. Doon niya tumasa. Tinrider mo ako. Okay na. Pwede na ba tayo mag-usap?
I should fuck her in the